Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are making corndog today. Hope everybody is fine. Please take care of yourself. Let's begin. I'll start by inserting the skewer into the sausage. I'm making use of chicken sausage. You can make use of pork sausage. You can make use of beef sausage. Is your choice. So I'm making use of chicken sausage. I'm inserting 2 skewer into 1 sausage at a time. I'm doing this because I felt my skewer is not strong enough to carry the sausage. So I'm making use of 2 skewer. After that, I'm going to mix the dry ingredients. I'm going to pour hot water on the chicken sausage. This is totally optional. I do this to be certain that the sausage will be cooked before eating it. You know, the only thing we have to do is to wrap it in the dough of the corn dog and fry it. So pouring hot water on it makes it certain that it's cooked. If you have any leftover corn dog mixture, use it for pancake. I'm going to show you the pancake I made with my leftover corn dog mixture. It came out so good and it tastes delicious. Thanks for watching my video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that, okay? And don't forget to give us a thumbs up for all our efforts. Bye.